Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 M5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. BMW M5 have delighted driving enthusiasts with a combination of breathtaking performance, stunning agility, and elegant luxury to create a unique driving experience. The BMW M5, introduced to the American market in October of 2005, takes those attributes to an even higher level than its predecessors with new design, new technology, and new engineering to create what truly can be considered an intriguing combination of a sports car and a luxury sedan. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.